You said what?
There's at least 20, 30 more bikes.
20, 30 more bikes pulling?
20 pack. We was with them, but we came in the truck. And there was at least 20 bikers here.
Oh.
There's supposed to be a ride out for the short midget that died.
Yeah.
They're meeting at East Eagle Nest Park or whatever. So they went up there to see who was there. But then cops was over there waiting, so they chased him.
Ah.
Right now, like 20 of them, but I told them to pull back up.
Sheesh.
So.
Hey, well, we out here. Let's go. It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We got the big 450 out today. As you can see, it's a little lit out here today. Let's go. Woo, boys vibing right now. Look, we got more people coming in. Bro, look at everyone pulling in right now. Let's go. Let's see that work. Yeah, it feels good to be back at the lot while it's like busy, bro. Like, there's nothing like a good busy day at the lot. Look at everyone shredding, bro, on that freaking KX. Boys vibing. Let's go. That's the homie. We had the little slingshot group over here. Let's go. And you already know we got the slammed ZRZ, bro, with the extended swing arm, bro. Bro, there's a car right here in the middle of the road, bro. Woo! A little slippery. I seen that. It's a little slippery. Let's go. Yo, that two-stroke. Let's go. Oh, the boys out here today. Let's get it. Boys vibing, bro. Okay. On the little KLX 110, I think it's 110 or 125, who knows. Homie getting that thing though. Huh?
I thought you said cops tying you out your arm on top of your helmet.
Nah. Cops are here, cops are here. Shredding that thing, bro.
Right.
Let's go.
Gotta get some feet trades, I'm good.
Hey, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Big 450 bros out here. Yes, sir. Big 450. I thought you had street tires.
The other one, you remember I found?
Yeah. It's a different bike? I swear he had a YZ before. Maybe I'm tripping. Yes, sir. Let's go. What bike did you have before? Oh, I forgot. Woo. I hope he ain't calling the cops, bro.
That's what I'll say.
I can't really tell, like, doesn't look like it, right? I don't get the vibe that he's on the. I feel like he's on the phone with his boy. Hopefully. Let's see, homie on that Suzuki. That big got a DRZ motor in it, bro. Homie literally got a DRZ and a quad. Woo! Let go. Yo, look at everyone here right now, bro. Everyone really pulled up. Bro, look at the weather, like, it's terrible. It's coming. Hey, hop on the seat. Come on. You're right there. You're right there. Yes, sir. Let's go. We got a homie pulling up. What's up?
Wow, you MotoBroo?
I'm MotoBroo. Nice to meet you.
Oh, I watch you all the time. You the one I never see you in person.
Yeah,
bro.
nice to meet you, man.
You out?
I say what?
You out having fun?
Yeah, bro. I thought it was gonna be raining today, but homies hit me up. They're like, "Come out to the lot. It's busy." I'm like, "All right, bye, bye, bye."
I came from the zona, bro, soaking wet.
You got rained on? Yeah. Hey, welcome to Florida, bro.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Doing your thing, bro.
I appreciate it. Let's go. Yes, sir. Boy, vibing. It's getting busy, bro. Yeah, yeah.
20 packs still ain't came back. They're still riding something.
They're still cruising.
Something. I don't know.
My boy got the Monster 450. What's your name, bro? Lean Back Geo? Okay. Have I met you before or no?
Yes and no.
We've been around the same area?
Here a couple times and then Old Lake and lot.
Ah, okay. Woo, coming in. Yo, it feels good to be back on the 450. Woo! Oh my God, you forget how much power these 450s have, bro. Like, let's see it. Let's see the work. Homie on that 450 Honda. All right. Let's go. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little sketchy on my 450, so you guys are about to see me worm out a little bit. Let's go. That car has been there for like a week now. Yeah. Right? Let's go. What's good, dog? Dude, you already know it's another day where I get kicked out of the lot. You remember me?
Yeah.
I had the DRZ. You're killing it.
Yo, if you want to drop, I got a